Hello everyone, let me show you today how you can fix the problem that the screen inside of Windows is flickering or you're having some problems with your display. Now, the first thing that I will recommend you guys to do is to update your drivers to the latest. If you don't know how to do it, the simplest way to make it, even if you have an AMD or NVIDIA graphic cards, is to right-click into the Start button, go into Device Manager, and when the Device Manager gets open, you want to click where you see Display Adapters and expand that menu. In here, you're going to see the graphic card that you have. Right-click into it and click into Update Driver. From there, you want to click into Search automatically for drivers, and it's going to search and install the latest drivers in your PC. If this doesn't help with your problem, you want to right-click anywhere empty on your desktop and go into Display Settings. Now you want to scroll all the way down until you see the option of Advanced Display. Click on it. Now you want to select the display where you're having problems, and you want to set the maximal frame rate that you have available. For the last option that you guys can do is to disable G-Sync or AMD FreeSync if you have it available in your PC and your monitor is compatible. It can be that something isn't working correctly and you're having that problem. If this video have helped you guys resolve this problem, just let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and a like into the video, this will really help with the YouTube algorithm. See you guys on the next time, bye bye!